Hey, what is up? This is the Flexispot Air Purifier. Now, this is a great unit. So, first and foremost, I want to go over some of the aesthetics of it. It has wheels, so it easily can be rolled around. Before you turn it on or plug it in, make sure you take the filter out. The filter is behind here. Let me just show you this quick. And it's a 3-stage HEPA filter. The back slips right back in there in place. And then you can go ahead and turn it around, and you'll see that we have a nice touch screen. Now we go ahead and turn this on. You'll see how you have lots of different options. Now what I like about this is we have pets, we have children, and allergies. So all those things combined, this is a great unit to filter out pollen, pet dander, hair, and any other compounds that might be hiding in your home. We have the power button here. We have a fan. We have the auto setting, we have the 1, 2, 3, or 4, and the nighttime mode. So very quiet. It is running right now, and it's extremely quiet. So you'll be able to sleep during it, all that kind of good stuff. It's going to show you all the data it's collecting when it's filtering, which is super, super nice. Like I said, this is a 3-stage HEPA filter. So it's going to go all the way up to PM10. We have a PM10 setting right here. All the way to PM10. That's going to... PM10 is basically like very volatile organic compounds in the air that it's going to filter out. We have a timer here, which you go 2, 4, 6, or 8-hour timer, and that can make sure that you're not expending unnecessary energy with this unit here. We have a light button that which you can turn the screen on and off. Very, very great. Child lock button up here to make sure the kiddos do not go back and mess with the screen. And then, again, a lot of different options here. Power on, power off. This is super lightweight, super mobile, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. Some other things about this are that this model can actually filter up rooms up to 2,100 square feet, and it just is going to take just 30 minutes to purify just over 1,000 square feet. So that is super cool. The energy saving option on this thing is also amazing. You're not going to have to spend tons of money on electricity. This is going to be very cost efficient for you when you're doing your air purification. And just the sheer easiness and simplicity on how to operate this machine is super, super easy. From box to operation literally took less than 5 minutes. So overall, really nice design. This is going to be a great complement to any home. Again, just for your family safety, we talk about all the pollen and the dander and the dust, even mold. All this is going to get nice and purified and keep your home safe for you and the kiddos. Okay, so a few other things I just wanted to touch on real quick that, Flexispot is very comparable to your premier brands of filtration systems. So don't be discouraged that it's not a super well-known top-of-line brand. It's extremely comparable and much more affordable than your other brands that you could have out there. But it's going to do the exact same thing, if not better. And I've experienced it so far. Again, a lot of things that, you live by wildfire areas or, you need it for your work, whatever it may be. This is awesome. And again, it's really, really quiet. So you're not going to have a lot of noise, jumbling around and causing a ruckus. All great things. And the simplicity to use it is amazing. So whether you're at home, work, this is going to be a great filtration system for your home, for your work, anybody with allergies. And I highly recommend you'll give this Flexispot Air Purifier a shot and let me know what you think.